Hey guys, it's Andy and I'm here in Las Vegas at Autodesk University. I'm about to head into the expo hall to check out all the cool new stuff that people are showing off. So Unity is one of the guys I'm really excited to talk to because they're a game engine that we can pull data into and visualize very quickly. So they just announced a partnership with Autodesk to create a quicker integration, and that's going to be coming out next year. So I'm really excited to see how this develops.
So this is a collaboration between Autodesk and NASA. The concept here is, so NASA's looking at exploring ways of colonizing Mars, for instance. So if you want to go to Mars, you don't want to bring a bunch of material with you, but you have to build infrastructure. So what are some ways we can use the material that's already there?
Unreal Engine is one of the stars here at Autodesk University, and I'm really excited to talk to them because I'm really pushing for a workflow from point clouds into visualization either in VR or AR. So I'm excited to hear what they've got coming out. I'm Andy.
Justin, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Ben, nice to meet you. So what is ClearEdge exactly?
So ClearEdge is a software developer. We work with laser scan data primarily and turning that into actual geometry.
Point Fuse is a mesh modeling software. It sits on the desktop. What it does is it converts point clouds into what we call intelligent mesh models.
So Iris VR is basically a VR software designed for the AEC space. We specialize in design review and collaboration, and we make it really simple to be able to go from 3D to VR. And then once you're in VR, we help you, give you design review tools, either new collaboration software like VR meetings, and then we help you take all that information that you have in your design review back into your 3D modeling program so you can make those changes and completely work well.
All right, so here at the Leica booth, I'm going to show you what we've got on display. Of course, we've got the BLK 360. We're doing a couple live demos here. Our newest thing that's not even released yet is the BLK 3D. We're also showing people how this works. Over here, we've got the RTC 360. This is kind of the next step in terms of longer range and accuracy for a laser scanner. This is the Pegasus backpack. This is a mobile scanner that you can throw on just like a backpack and walk through a space. It's got some IMUs, it's got a GPS to be able to really accurately track your location. Back over here we have our laser distance meters, our distos. So those are used just to take a single point from the disto to an object. All right, so I had a chance to talk to a lot of different companies, and there's lots of cool new stuff out there. At Autodesk this year, there seems to be a big push in the architecture industry for visualization and just making this more accessible. So I'm really excited to see where this is going for the point cloud industry. I really had a great time here at AU this year, and I can't wait to come back next year.